So how long have you been using this application?
It's my 35 days or 36 days.
Okay, that's great.
And what about you?
Actually, I have been using this application, for 5 or 6 months ago, and after sharing this application, I have received so many messages from your side. Here I am going to mention one message that I have received from my subscriber. And the message like this, मैम, ये एप्लीकेशन तो आप जैसे लोगों के लिए है कि आपको ऑलरेडी इंग्लिश बोलना आता है. कोई ऐसा एप्लीकेशन बताइए जिसमें मैं बिल्कुल शुरू से इंग्लिश बोलना सीख सकूं. Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this video I am going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of this application you can easily start your English speaking journey. अगर आपको इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आता है, कोई बात नहीं, आप केवल 1 महीने इस एप्लीकेशन का यूज करिए. ईच एंड एवरी डे आपको कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ केवल 1 महीने इस एप्लीकेशन को यूज करना है. आफ्टर 1 month योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल विल बी हियर. बिलीव मी, you feel more confident in English. Okay, you can do easy conversation with the help of this application. You can create some question in English, you can give your answer in English, believe me. And after 1 month your vocabulary will be expanded, your communication skill will be increasing, believe me. So here I'm going to share with you wonderful application. So without any further delay, let's get into the application. Okay, so for this what you need to do, आपको इसके लिए क्या करना है, इसके लिए आपके पास आपका एंड्रॉयड फोन होना चाहिए और इंटरनेट एक्सेस, दैट्स इट. ओके, एंड इसके लिए आपको ना तो पैसे देने की ज़रूरत है, ना ही आपको कहीं बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत है. आप घर बैठे केवल फ्री में अपना कुछ समय देकर इंग्लिश बोलना सीख सकते हैं. कैसे, बताती हूँ. तो इसके लिए आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना है, आपको पहले प्ले स्टोर पर जाना है. ओके, प्ले स्टोर पर जाइए और वहाँ पे लिखिए इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस. यहाँ पर मैं हिंदी में इसलिए बता रही हूँ क्योंकि जो डिमांड है कि मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आती, आपको आती, इसलिए आप इस एप्लीकेशन का यूज़ करें जो मैंने पहले शेयर किया था. तो मुझे कोई ऐसा एप्लीकेशन बताइए जिसमें शुरू से हम इंग्लिश बोलना सीख सकें. इसलिए मैं इस वीडियो को हिंदी और इंग्लिश में मिक्स करके बना रही हूँ ताकि जो बिगिनर्स वाले मेरे सब्सक्राइबर हैं वो आसानी से इस पूरे वीडियो को अच्छे से समझ सकें. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको प्ले स्टोर में जाना है और इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस लिखना है. ओके, और इस एप्लीकेशन को आपको डाउनलोड कर लेना है. जो कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन ये मांग रहे हैं आप उसको दीजिए. टोटली ट्रस्टेड एप्लीकेशन है. इट्स नॉट अ फेक एप्लीकेशन, इट्स ट्रस्टेड एप्लीकेशन, बिलीव मी. ओके, actually I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So now I'm going to just open this application in front of you. Okay, so you can see the home page of this application. There are so many categories. You can see these are some conversation categories, and yes, I'm going to speak all the categories like tips and vacations, eating related topics, family and friends, talking about kids, daily life, sports, music and events, US holiday, nature, school, shopping, special days, work related. There are so many categories. Now I'm going to show you how to use this application. So first I'm going to touch this thing like trips and vacation. When I touch trips and vacation, so there are so many subcategories. You can see there are so many subcategories like afternoon picnic, picnic by the lake, picnic to the lake, going to the zoo, going to the beach, going to the amusement park, fishing with dad, fishing with buddies, talking about fishing. So many subcategories. Now I'm going to show you how to use. Okay, because there are so many categories. Now I'm going to touch one categories in front of you. So now I'm going to touch this going to the zoo. Okay, going to the zoo. When I touch this going to the zoo, so you can see there is something like there is 3 point like listen, quiz and record. Practice, sorry, listen, quiz and practice. Listen, on the top of this screen you can see listen, quiz and practice. So first, what you need to do, you need to just listen whole conversation very carefully. You should listen whole conversation very carefully. Now I'm going to show you how to listen. So there is a thing like, okay, when you touch start, so you can easily listen whole conversation in front of you. Now I'm going to touch this start.
Hey Steve, my family and I want to do something fun this weekend. Do you have any suggestions?
The weather is going to be nice. You should do something outdoors.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny all weekend.
How about a picnic at the park?
We do that often. I want to do something more fun.
How about the city zoo? I heard that bear cubs were recently born there.
That's a good idea. We haven't been to the zoo in a long time.
Then you should definitely go this weekend.
The last time we were there...
Okay, after listening, what you need to, if you don't listen whole conversation, then you can easily restart, okay, and listen 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 10 times. So it's up to you. There is no any time wanting, okay. You can listen whole conversation until you don't understand. जब तक कि आप उसको समझ नहीं पाते हो पूरा conversation, you should listen whole conversation minimum 10 times, okay. Here I am going to suggest you. After listening, what you need to do, you need to just go to the quiz section, and yes, it will ask some question related to whole conversation like this. What is the weather going to be like this weekend? So now I'm going to touch sunny because I have listened this whole conversation very carefully. So now I'm going to touch, and yes, you can see this is correct. Okay, in this way there is so many quiz question, and there is a question, ये केवल आपकी जांच के लिए है कि आपने इस पूरे conversation को कितनी carefully सुना है. So after this, what you need to do, you need to just go to the practice section. This is the practice section. When I touch practice, you can see there is two character like Greg and Steve. There is two character. So whole conversation is running between two character, Greg and Steve. So now I'm going to use first character. So now first I'm going to record this because I want to record my voice. After that I can easily analyze my pronunciation, okay. So that's why I'm going to record my whole voice. So after recording, it will ask, okay, choose any character. So now I'm going to touch Greek, okay. I touch Greek and start. Now I'm going to start, okay. Yes, there is, आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे देखिए, जब आप ग्रीक को टच कर लेते हैं, सो आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे ग्रीक बोलेगा. सो वो जो बोल रहा है वो शैडो के रूप में आपको दिख रहा है. जो आपको बोलना है वो देखिए आउटलाइन कितना बड़ा सा दिया हुआ है, डार्क दिया हुआ है. तो आपको इसको पढ़ के ही बोलना है. आपको अपने से कोई भी सेंटेंस क्रिएट नहीं करना है, आपको पढ़ के ही बोलना है ना. कितना इजी, बिल्कुल बिगिनर्स के लिए. इस तरह से आप इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन कैसे करते हैं सीख जाएंगे. आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी अच्छा होगा, और जब आप इसको रिकॉर्ड कर रहे होते हो ना, इसके बाद आप अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग सुनोगे तो आप खुद अपने आप को एनालाइज कर पाओगे. आप समझ पाओगे कि आपका कहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन की प्रॉब्लम है, कहाँ पे आपको पॉज लेना है, कहाँ पर आपको स्पीड पकड़नी है. सो पूरी चीज आप ऑटोमेटिक इससे समझ जाओगे, ओके. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेस्ट. मैं इसको रिकॉर्ड करने जा रही हूँ. सो मैंने इसको रिकॉर्ड किया और स्टार्ट.
Hey Steve, my family and I want to do something fun this weekend. Do you have any suggestions?
The weather is going to be nice. You should do something outdoors.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sunny all weekend.
How about a picnic at the park?
We do that often. I want to do something more fun.
How about the city zoo? I heard that bears cubs were recently born there.
That's a good idea. We haven't been to the zoo in a long time.
Then you should definitely go to the weekend.
The last time we were there, it started raining. None of the animals wanted to come out.
That must have been boring.
It was boring. The kids wanted to go home early.
The animals should be more visible since the weather is going to be sunny this weekend.
Yeah, I think we will go to the zoo. Hopefully this time it'll be more fun.
Actually, I have 4 tickets for the zoo. You can have them our family would not be able to go. The tickets expired this weekend.
Thanks, Steve. Let me pay you for them. Zoo tickets are expensive.
Don't worry about it. It's my gift to you since your last visit was not fun.
Are you sure? This is very generous of you.
Also, you mowed my lawn a few times after I had back surgery last year. I really
I'm glad we're
appreciated it.
neighbors.
Okay. So after, completing your conversation,
Hey, Steve. My family and I want to do something fun this weekend. Do you have any suggestions?
The weather is going to be nice. You should do
इस
something
तरह से आप
outdoors.
अपने आप को एनालाइज कर
it's
सकते हैं कि
supposed to
आपका
be sunny all
प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसा था,
How about a picnic at the
कहाँ पे
park?
आपने
We do that
पॉज
often.
लिया.
I want to do something more fun.
Okay, or now I'm going to stop this. After this, you should choose other character like this. Okay, when you choose other character, so yes, the character which जो भी आपको बोलना है वो अब आपका डार्क हो गया और जो स्टीव बोलेगा वो लाइट हो गया. Like this I'm going to show you. Like this I'm going to start my thing. Hey Steve, my family and I want to do something fun this weekend. Do you have
The
some
weather is going
suggestions?
to be nice. You should do something outdoors.
Wow, it's supposed to be sunny all weekend.
How about a picnic at the park?
इस तरह से आप इसका कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं पूरा. और एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन नहीं, चार नहीं, यहाँ पे ढेर सारी कन्वर्सेशन है. और बिलीव मी, इसके बाद अब आप देखेंगे कि आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन वे, आपकी कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस ये ऑटोमेटिकली इम्प्रूव होगी और आप डे बाय डे अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर रहे होंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस एप्लीकेशन. सो दिस इज द एप्लीकेशन दैट विल गिव यू confidence. Okay, you can get confidence after using this application. Your pronunciation way, your vocabulary, your sentence creating structure, you can easily improve your English speaking skill with the help of one single application if you are a beginner. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will meet you, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.